Nice to see Quant moving up exactly as we have been predicting. Haven't changed the chart. You know, since the updates, since we came down to this price point, and I mentioned now that there are two levels of support here. I'm expecting a break that reclaims 104 and confirms it as support. We saw the break, we saw the confirmation of support, then the reclaim of this neckline. Apologies. And actually, with yesterday's craziness, and I did actually explain it in my other altcoin videos, do check them out on the channel. I also made Bitcoin updates during the dump yesterday. As you saw, there weren't many people making content last night. However, I still brought out 4 videos during the dump calling all bottoms. I wish I made a quant video because it was the same as every single other chart. We had created a huge dump and we started to wick back up. Usually when this happens, I want to mark out that new wick, and then I now know going forward, as long as it's being maintained, that we will just continue higher regardless anyways. But there was more than just that. In this area, we also closed above all key levels of support after losing the 55, the 200, the 20, 104 and 102. We reclaimed 102, 104, the 20, 255 and 110. The neckline of this double bottom, this previous double bottom, we are looking at a different one right now. But initially when we came into this area, we marked out this resistance. We said that once we break this neckline, we're validating this target. But as you can see, it's very close to 130, 125, 130. So the golden pocket is the magnet. We came down and formed this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which I gave, and the target was met very nicely. Hopefully profited along on this. Then we fell back and confirmed the neckline as support. That was a day where I said this is actually quite good because Quant is confirming all the key levels as we were down here, but actually closed all the way up at the 55 and still above this neckline. Unfortunately, the direct next day we didn't get that continuation. We just filled in the wick but didn't actually lose it. If you remember from that update, I actually said this is a good thing because we are still holding the low but now creating a new level of support that I'm now actually more interested in than this one. So again, the direct next day we lost that. It looks scary if we now did not mark this new low, but as we marked out the new low in the direct next video, you can see we never lost that. And this is why I created a new box of support explaining to you guys how it's overlapping another area of support, essentially acting as a double brick wall. This is why when we came down with the scary Bitcoin dump and altcoin dump yesterday, it looked scary, but as we have 2 key levels of support, this is the reason for why we bounced. Are you starting to understand that what I've been saying is not just a bunch of rubbish? Hopefully, please do go ahead and like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah, we're trying to hit 10K as quick as possible. If you are interested in learning about other projects, potential 100x's or so, join the Discord community. We do weekly live streams in there. It's only $25 a month. The links are down below for more information. Now, what we are expecting now going forward, and let me just quickly go back to that Bitcoin candle. Essentially, guys, usually towards the end of the month, I remember this from the 2020, 2021 bull market. Usually at the end of the month, so many people have leverage longs open and the market just has to go and liquidate everyone before continuation. That's pretty much what we saw. Went ahead and liquidated the longs, grabbed all that liquidity, and we're now out of here. And this candle is so powerful, guys, because not only are we confirming 2 different supports in this area, we're also confirming all the moving averages, and they're about to form a golden crossover here between the 20 and the 200. And so once that is the case, this is just further continuation. The expectation is further continuation to our targets. This is what we've been saying as long as $100 is support. And yeah, that was the reason over the past few days I haven't really made an update, because we know it's the same thing I've been saying every single day. This is our support. As long as we're holding, we're expecting 125 to 130. I don't need to tell you the same thing absolutely every day. We just know, hold this, we're going to this. In fact, guys, hold $100 and we're going to $200. This is the bias that I've been maintaining over the past couple of weeks, or however many weeks we've been in this range for, as you've been seeing in the titles and in the video updates. So I'll catch you guys in the next quant update. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and hope to see more of you joining the community.